All right. All right, what up, guys? It's my first video. Got you guys on my chest right now. We're about to fish this river. I got here pretty late, so we're just gonna fish for like an hour, maybe a little less, but see if we can catch some bass. Oh, look at this guy. He's poisonous? I don't even know. What up, buddy? All right. Chilling here on the dock. Let's go. All right. Let's just start right here. See if we can't get something right here. It's already pretty late, so the bite should be heated up by now. Just fishing a little senko, wacky rig, some bounces, bouncing off the bottom. Oh, already got one. Come here. Ooh. All right, come here, buddy. Wow. Decent one. Open your mouth. There she is. Wow, that was quick. All right, let me get this hook out. Ooh, it's in there pretty deep. There we go. It's a pretty fish. Take a picture on my phone. Nice. It's a decent fish for first, like right away, first cast. All right, thank you, buddy. Thank you, Lord, for that fish. Sweet. Wow, that was quick. That's awesome. That fish kind of always gets so much adrenaline, even if it's not even that big of a fish. Why is it so twisted, bro? There we go. Oh. Oh my gosh. I had one. Or it was a snag. Look at that. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Oh my gosh. Golly. Holy shit. Come here. Oh. hooked his tail. Oops. Damn, my bad, bro. What is that, a catfish? How do you even hold these, bro? Oh my gosh. Look at this thing. What? Oh. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Buddy, don't do this to me. Let me unhook you. Holy shit, dude. Holy shit, bro. That's a sick catfish. Look at that thing. Oh. Hooked you in the dang tail. Look at that. Wow. Alright, let me let you go. Dang. Jeez, sorry, buddy. Look at that freaking catfish, I think. What the heck? That's awesome. Alright, thank you, buddy. Thank you, Lord, for this fish. Wow, look at that thing. What the heck? What the heck? That's awesome. No way. What are the freaking odds of that? Ow, hooked him. That's crazy. Oh, he got his freaking slime all over me. Ew. That's insane. Oh, it's not a ton of time or I would. Kind of working my way that way. Oh, what's that? Is that another beaver? Or a duck or something? Oh, it's another beaver. I kind of want to get closer to it. My beaver, bro. Look at him. What up, buddy? What up, buddy? Oh, making a dive. Yes. Okay, come on. Oh shit! Got it. Oh, come here. Just gonna swim in a circle, eh? Oh. Oh, jeez. Chill, buddy. Look at this thing. What is this? Oh, it's a sweet fish. Thank you, buddy. Alright, let's see if we can get that hook out. We might just have to cut this one, I think. Too deep. Dang, that thing's in there. I'm sorry, buddy. I gotta cut it out. Alright. Thank you, buddy. Send you back. Wow, that was a cool fish.